So let's take some questions from the polymers. So the question 1, monomer of nylon 6 is, option A is 6-amino caproic acid, option B is hexamethylene diamine, option C is adipic acid, D is the all of this. Now here the nylon 6 is it is prepared from the polymerization of a amino group containing hexanoic acid. The hexanoic acid is commonly known as caproic acid, and when it is polymerized you will get a NH with CH2 5 times with a C double bond O. This will become a repetitive unit. This is called a nylon 6. So therefore option A, that is 6-amino caproic acid or 6-amino hexanoic acid, will be the right answer. So answer A is the right answer. So let us take the question number 2. The question is, which of the following is a natural polymer? Option A starch, option B codel, option C nylon 6, option D Buna S, and that is styrene butadiene rubber. Another option is given. Now the starch is a one which is a polymer of the glucose. It is also, the glucose also gives another polymer called cellulose. Both are polyglucose molecules, but a slight linkage difference will give the starch and this one. So the starch is the right answer here. So option A, a starch is nothing but a glucose with n number of times go on adding, having a ether bonds. A glucose 1 OH and another OH of the glucose will be eliminated as a water molecule, and the two glucose are binded having a C1C4 linkage. Such a polymer of the beta D-glucopyranoside is nothing but the starch. So the answer A will be the right answer. So let's go to the question number 3. Polymer used in making capsules. So in the capsules, what we many times the medicine which is having not good taste and having the powdery, and then the medicine is in the form of capsules prepared. The material outside should be used in such a way the moment we swallow, it should be dissolved and hydrolyzed to give a simple product which is harmless also. So such a material he is asking now. The options A is polyglycolic acid, polylactic acid, option B. Option C is nylon 2, nylon 6. Option D is PHBV. So here the answer A, polyglycolic acid. So it is a glycol is a dialcohol. So one side OH, one side COOH, the molecule is known as glycolic acid. This is polymerized to give a polyester, which is said to be a very much readily undergoes hydrolysis and immediately dissolves in water without any much the chemical reaction involvement. So just dissolves in water and hydrolyzes quickly. So therefore this answer A is the right answer. Question number 4. In nucleic acids, monomers are held together by which linkage? Nucleic acids are prepared constituted by the one sugar unit, one base, and one phosphate. These three units go on joining, a long chain is formed, which is nothing but a nucleic acid, polymer actually it is there. So the binding, the linkage he is asking. So A is ester linkage, B is amide linkage, C is phosphate linkage, and D is glycosidic linkage. Through phosphate, the sugar unit and bases are going on joined. So therefore it is the answer C is the right answer. Let's show the question number 5. Nylon 6,6 is which type of polymer? So he is asking the what type of polymer with reference to the linkage he is asking. The first one, option A is polyamide, option B is a homopolymer, option C is a addition type of polymer, option D is a polyester. So the addition is a type of reaction involved actually, the other three are two are amide and ester. The option B is a simple one molecule involvement. So the option A is really it is a polyamide answer. So the nylon 6,6 means a 6 carbon diamine, a 6 carbon diamine and a 6 carbon dioic acid. So this H and OH and the goes on undergoes this side, that side, and it goes on becomes. Finally, what happens is a NH with CH2 6 times and another NH with a C double bond O with CH2 4 times and a C double bond O. So here the two different molecules are involved. So therefore, you cannot go for the option B. It's a homopolymer is given. It is a two different materials are involved, hetero type of the polymer it is. So it is a amide, the amide linkage is there. So therefore, it is a polyamide. And option C says addition type. Here it is a condensation type of polymer. It is a synthetic polymer, linear polymer. And the answer D is polyester. He is saying it is the amide linkage is there. Therefore, option D is not correct. Answer goes to the again answer A. That is, it is a polyamide is the right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following monomer will make PHBV more flexible? PHBV is a biodegradable polymer, polyhydroxy, that is poly beta hydroxy actually, butyrate and valerate. These two components go on alternatively polymerize to give the big polymer, which is a biodegradable type because it is a ester, simple ester hydrolyzes quickly. So therefore, biodegradable one it is. Biological enzymes can hydrolyze these esters quickly. Therefore, it is called biodegradable type of the polymer, in which one of the component if it increases, the flexibility increases. That is what the question framed. So the option A is beta hydroxy butyric acid, option B is a beta hydroxy valeric acid. These two are the actually components involved, but it is said that the option B, that is beta hydroxy valeric acid, increases the flexibility of the that is polymer increases. The glycine and the lactic acid, option C, D are not the correct one. They are not the components of this monomers of this the polymer also. So therefore, option B is the right answer.